Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to scroll the chart and how to zoom in and zoom out. When you open a chart, the initial state of the chart is locked, so you cannot scroll it. So if you want to unlock it and make it scrollable, just by clicking the checkbox on the top right of the screen. The name is Scroll Lock. Click it and make it unchecked, and then you can scroll the bar, scroll the chart. Quite simple, right? Let's see how to zoom in and zoom out. There are two buttons on the toolbar. One is zoom out and the other one is zoom in. By clicking zoom in button, you can make the chart's candlesticks width bigger. By clicking zoom out button, you can make the candlesticks width smaller. So it's quite easy to use, and this is a method to change the scale of the chart horizontally. So if you want to change the scale of the chart vertically, just by dragging the price panel and move your mouse up and down, and you can change the scale of the chart vertically. So quite simple, right? Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.